Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to Julie Johnson. We haven't had a video on this channel for a long time, and I apologize about that, but we have been really busy. We left Indonesia mid-May, and we have been really busy here in America getting settled. We are living now in the state of Tennessee, and so we thought we would try to revive this channel and put some more videos out there for you.
All right, cool. Yeah, so like Julie said, we left in May, and we traveled around a little bit. If you would like to see those videos, you can go over and check out our channel, Martin Johnson. But we traveled around a little bit, and then now we are here in Tennessee, like Julie said, in Henderson, Tennessee. The address to like the town that we're in and our mailbox and stuff is down in the description of the video if you want to check that out and see where we are. But we are actually working with Freed-Hardeman University for one school year, and so I am serving as what is called the missionary in residence, meaning I am teaching classes here and I am mentoring college students about missions. And so that's what we're doing here, guys.
So if you watch our family vlog on Martin Johnson or even Pop Martin, you would see Marty have on his shirt FHU. So that's the school that we're working with here in Tennessee.
That's right. So we'll be here until May next year.
Yeah, May of 2019.
Right.
Alright, so I am just doing school and stuff, but this year's a little bit different because I'm taking a dual enrollment class at Freed-Hardeman University. I'm a junior in high school this year, or SMP Class 2. No, SMA Class 2. And that's really fun. Yeah, it's a pretty fun class.
So what's a dual enrollment, Sarah? Maybe they don't know what that means.
So dual enrollment is where high schoolers can take a college class for credit. So like that way when they go to college later, they don't have to take that class again.
So
like juniors and seniors in high school have the opportunity at Freed-Hardeman University to enroll in a college class, and they'll get credit for their high school as well as credit that will go towards their college in the future.
Right.
So it's like doing high school and college at the same time.
So Sarah's still being homeschooled, but she's also taking American History 1 this semester at Freed-Hardeman University. So it's really fun. Cool. So she sits in class with all the other college students. So
I think I'm the only high schooler in that class.
Yeah, probably. And she's been making a lot of videos on her channel. So if you're not subscribed there, there's a link up there. It says Sarah Johnson, and she's been doing a lot of videos there. And she's
channel's really grown a lot.
Her channel's really growing. It's in Indonesian, so if you haven't seen it, you should go check that out. She's interviewed different people here in America. She's had them watch the Asian games, the opening games. Is that what it's called?
The Asian games, yeah.
Yeah, and so kind of like a reaction video. So it's been really good. She's also open to mail.
Yeah.
she would love to have you send her mail to open on her channel, because that would be really cool.
Just make sure to put Sarah Johnson so we'll know it's for a mail time on my channel.
But it's the same address that's in the description of this video. You can send her mail.
Thanks, guys.
And Seth?
So I'm in 7th grade right now, and I'm being homeschooled still. And a lot of times we go to the library, like, every day to do our school. It's a really nice library. Like, it is really big. And we also have our own library cards at the other library here.
Yeah.
So there's 2 libraries in town.
Yeah. There's the campus library, and then there's a county library. And we live right across the street from the university library. And so they open at 7:30 in the morning, and we go every morning, the 3 of us, pretty much every morning, and work until chapel, and then we join Marty for chapel time. So it's really nice being so close to campus. We save on a lot of gas as well.
Yeah, we like hardly drive at all.
No.
Really, Wednesday and Sunday are the days that we really drive anywhere.
Or if I need to go to the grocery store, we'll use the car. But other than that, we pretty much walk everywhere.
And sometimes they even go back to the library after lunch.
Yeah. I do almost every day. I spend more time at the library than here, except when I'm sleeping.
So we are looking forward to kind of adding to this channel, and we would love for you guys to give some suggestions on what kind of videos, what kind of cooking videos like you would like to see on Julie Johnson. Thank you guys for coming back to this channel and sharing it with your friends. We love your support and we love hearing all of your comments. So we hope you guys have a really great day.
And keep
smiling.